Hey folks, this is Sahib from Tosu Products Analyzation. Today we are going to review one personal development product called Survival MD from the site The One Stop Offer. The One Stop Offer is a new affiliate marketing brand. So first we'll go through the site, then we'll look for the product and then how the product is described. So let's go. So Survival MD, I actually like the image they are putting out there. And Survival MD is a medical help guide book that provides all the vital information people need in order to survive a crisis. It's a 206-page guide with a content on the effective and safe steps to take while treating injured and ill people during a crisis. So that's nice. The components of Survival MD. The Survival MD guides contain everything regarding survival. It will equip you with tips on how to survive and eventually come out of a major disaster alive. The content covered ranges from preventing injections from happening to the common illness you should expect in a disaster. Another thing you will get to learn is how to handle different casualties, including women, children, and the elderly. There are detailed procedures involving delivery, medical care during various emergencies. Also, since there are much storage of medical supplies in emergencies, you will get the details of alternative corrective drugs. There will be more tips on shopping for reliable survival gear, first aid kits, medical kit, and even bug out bags. There is basically nothing regarding survival that left out on this guide. So let me talk about the pros of the Survival MD. Pros means the benefits, easy to read and understand. This makes it perfect for anyone willing to learn how to handle medical emergencies. The information provided is based on real-life experience and research from the authors. What makes it a great guide is that Dr. Strutru, who has written this, has a medical expertise and the knowledge acquired from treating patients in the third world countries with there is limited access to technology. The content in the book covers every type of disaster you can think of. It discusses in detail what should be done to stay alive and healthy without medical system in its availability. It's basically a complete medical guide. You will learn how to identify a diagnosis, treat an injury or ailment, and even goes to extra mile to cover alternative remedies to avoid medications that may be readily available at the moment. There's absolutely no need to have medical practitioner skills in order to use the program. It's detailed and simplified for everyone to use. Why do we need Survival MD program? Survival MD is a medical help guide that provides all the vital information. As I told you that it's a 206-page guide with content on the effective and safe techniques to be taken injured and ill people during a crisis. The book is written in an easy and simple way to plan everyone can understand, and the techniques and methods shared. There are even some illustrations for easier and better understanding. Medical practitioners may not have been written fully available essentially when disaster strikes. This book equips the leverage layperson with the knowledge and techniques required to save lives in case of a crisis. Also focuses on the safety process to ensure survival. The content basically covers easy to do methods and surgically required to treat an injured or ill person when medical care or medical practitioners may or may not be available. The features coming on this Survival MD is why practice and prevention makes sense, dental care, preparation for specific diseases, preparation for women, sanitation and hygiene, purchasing a medical response kit, list of handy medications to pile up, alternative medicine, preparing for first aid, what to do when no doctor is inside, sanitization in emergency situations, understanding CPR, common illness that occurs in crisis, ineffective diseases, non-traumatic illness, disaster that coming with the extreme climate, surviving without prescriptions, prepares medical reading list. The price of this Survival MD put on the site is of all $37. It's coming with a 60 days money back guarantee. 60 days means a 2-month money back guarantee. So I would like that personally. And I would like to tell you that all products we are reviewing are top quality products and are highly recommended. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe, then you will never miss an update and can view the video right after uploaded. Like it, leave a comment down below if you're going to give it a try. Till that time, it's a goodbye. See you all in the next video. Thanks, boy.